Hey there guys, welcome back to Cop Talks and another video. So some of you may or may not know that I kind of have a hobby of making survival kits, bug out kits, and things like that too. Well, I got around on the internet and started looking at a few different kits and stuff, and I came across a review done by Steve 1989 of MRE Info fame, and he was reviewing a fairly current pilot survival kit. And I thought, wow, you know, that's actually a really cool little kit, but it seemed very basic to me. And it was supposed to be enough for like a pilot to kind of, you know, survive behind enemy lines or being downed and all that stuff. I thought, hey, that's really cool, but really basic. So I'm kind of on a journey to build a new and improved or enhanced pilot survival kit that can be used in a variety of situations. Maybe not just pilots, but, you know, like, you could keep it in a car, you could keep it in a backpack. You know, I'm trying to keep it compact, but extremely, extremely functional. And so the first thing that I wanted to look at was possibly using something as a stove that could use both, like, wood or fuel tablets. And me being German, of course, I went straight to Esbit. Oh, I'm so basic. But yeah, no, I came across this awesome little Esbit stove. It's titanium, all right? There we go. Yeah, anyway, this thing is titanium. Super small. Check this out. Love it. I saw it and I was like, yes. I have a bunch of other regular Esbit stoves, but this one was just so cool. Look at that. How cool is that, right? So, you know, you could get that and some fuel tablets. You can fit that fairly easily into a pretty compact survival kit. This thing was like 15 bucks. It's titanium. It literally, like, I'll weigh it on my scale here, 0.4 ounces or 14 grams for those in countries that haven't been to the moon yet. But yeah, no, it's phenomenally light. And I wanted to kind of test how well this thing would function. So I have with me here my trusty canteen cup and canteen with some water in it. And we're gonna boil some water and we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna put down actually some aluminum foil from a kit I have here, just to kind of keep that heat. I mean, this is neoprene, it can handle it pretty well, but, you know, no reason to break anything if I don't have to. Just do one fuel tablet. Oh, gosh, these fuel tablets always just smell so weird to me. Look at this. Boop. It just fits perfect in there, I love it. Okie doke. So, get some MRE matches. Everybody's favorite. Oh, there we go. And then I'm just going to see how well it boils some water. Because I figured if it works well for the canteen cup, then it'll work for a pretty good number of containers. So we got a half canteen cup of water here. Just regular water. Wow, that is producing some heat. Nice. Alright guys, we're just going to see how long it takes for this sucker to boil. Okay guys, based on my timer here, it took about 4 minutes 33 seconds for this water to reach boiling. And I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it. It's only burned about half of the actual fuel on those tablets. So that is actually pretty decent. I was hoping for a small, lightweight solution to make a little camping stove. This thing is perfect. The fuel tablets last long enough to boil water, which would be great for, you know, decontaminating water, making it safe to drink, as well as cooking food, preparing water for dehydrated meals and things like that. And you can actually get a really good boil going off of this. So this is a fantastic lightweight solution for that. The legs are adjustable, so you can actually adjust it for a pretty good variety of containers that sit on top of it. It fits this canteen cup. Now this is a 3-leg stand, which is not the most stable, but I will say it holds this pretty well. I'm pretty confident in it. Also, you know, German engineering, it's basically like the Mercedes of camping stoves. But you can also build a wood fire underneath it. You could use it for a whole host of things. I'm pretty impressed with this, and I'm definitely gonna throw it in the kit. For 15 bucks, lightweight, titanium option, something that will literally last you forever, sign my ass up. Anyway guys, really hope you found this video helpful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you would, please, you know, like, comment, subscribe. That helps me out a lot. It really helps me promote the channel and kind of get stuff going and do giveaways and stuff like that. If you're interested in some of the things that I do, let me know. I'm more than willing to share my knowledge. you know, and gain more knowledge at the same time. And, you know, be good, get some good stuff, know how to use it, meet some cool people along the way, make friends, connections, and business opportunities. And have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.